This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great weekend, ready for a great week. Looks like the market's been falling, but in a very choppy fashion. High on ES looks like it's 58.02, the low. 57.74, so it's about 28 points in range. And Q287 for a high. 119 for a low, about 160 points in range. Copper must be a contract roll because it just gapped up incredibly, then came all the way back. I'm not sure what's going on there, but 300 ticks in range there. The Ultra Bond, which is a sore spot for many right now, about 3/4 of a point in range. Gold, about 31 points in range there. Crude oil, $67 to about 180 ticks in range. Big move on crude. Natural gas rising up. And Bitcoin sitting around 63.8. Looks like it had a good weekend and then gave it all back. It goes up to almost 6. Oh, it was above 66. Wow. So that's where we sit stand there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. CNQ trying to bounce here some, and we're ready to rock and rumble. Last day of the month, last day of the quarter. Only 1 quarter left in 2024. See a nice little pop up here. Started by that blue candle. But next opportunity hopefully will come soon. It is Monday. Do we have news today? I forgot to check about news. Start spreading the news. It's Monday, so usually there's not much on it. Oh, we have a Fed speaker coming up at 8:50 a.m. Bowman speaking. At 9:45 U.S. Chicago PMI, and at 10:30 Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. Kind of some weird times today. Oh, and for those of you trading in the afternoon, Powell is on the docket for 1 p.m. Excuse me. This blue candle here, but I don't trust it. Kind of extended here. I think it's going to pull back. I've been wrong before, so don't quote me on that. Where's everybody on this Monday morning? Is China still rise up? I could be wrong. But we shall see. Yeah, we shall see. Yeah, I was wrong about that. I could have got, 5 points more. Yep. So I was wrong. Nice rise up there that I missed. But that's okay. I really want to get this MyFundedFutures passed this month, this week. Up to 100 EMA looks like it's going. Yeah, I was very wrong about that. Up to 167. Sitting on that 100 EMA now. How was everybody's weekend? I will continue to talk to myself until somebody shows up. Pulls back there. Pulls back to the 9. Would have been a 5. Yeah, it would have been. Gold rising up there. Crude's rising up too. NQ trying to bounce here. But doesn't. Let's see. This might be a short. I might like this purple candle. This purple candle in the wind. Let's see what it does. Got 34 seconds on it. Purple went away for now. Morning, Juan. Nice to see somebody here. How was your weekend? Oh, purple went away. It's actually back to a green candle. I mean, it says there's 10 people here, but you're the only one that's chatted so far. Hey, 35 wheeling. Been a while. How are you doing? Sitting here at 2152 on NQ. We could be in for a choppy morning. Never knew who's lurking in the shadows. The shadows knows. Sitting here doing absolutely nothing right now. Still trying to kind of tempt me with a purple candle though. For that. So, sitting here. It was quite the eventful week last week in prop firm world. So the video coming out this morning after the stream for the prop firm week in review. It was supposed to come out, well, my original goal was to have it out on Saturday. It didn't get done. Then I got it done last night, one time. Uploaded it. Well, it turned out I recorded the whole video while being on mute. So I had to re-record it. So now it's scheduled to come out today. Well, it's not my brightest moment. Topping up. Blue candle. Right underneath that 100 EMA. It's more wick than body. Remember, this is the last day of the month, so if you want any of the current running sales that are going on, you need to take advantage of them. Lots ending today. If you've never been a customer of MyFundedFutures, they have a great deal on their starter plan. For $48 for the 50K account, that's all in. There's no funded setup fee. $48. Or it's like $152, I think, for the 150K. Bulenox 90% due to end, 80% one day pass, $85 PA fee with Apex due to end. Flexytrade 90% due to end. Earn the trade, but no one really cares. Tradeify sales due to end. Another purple candle here. It looks like it came down, tried to come up again. I like this purple. We'll take it if it holds. I took it. It's right on the 20, so that was kind of a iffy trade, but we'll see. Not liking it now. Morning, Chris. How you doing? Gold all of a sudden dumping after I said earlier it was rising. Now it's dumping big. There we go. Come on. It was alright. Caught up on sleep. Nah. So it wasn't ready to come down yet. It looks like gold might bounce. I'm out on this trade. Blue candle looks like it might want to pop. So 4-point loss there to start the day. Hey Moxie, good morning. How you doing? Doing good. Wants to try and tempt me with another purple. Might be ready this time. Reminder, go that like button if you're enjoying today's stream. Let's head back up. I should have taken the blue candle bounce. That would have worked. Next. It wants to continue rising up. No 8:30 news today, so no catalysts. Still struggling at that 100 EMA though. See this move on gold. Down, pops, back down. Thank you. Back above that 100 EMA. Let's see if it can hold. Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on you. No, the other way around. Purple candle here. It's still hovering above the 9. Nope, back up. Sitting at 160. So remember, high a day way up here at 287. We're just near low a day at 119. It's popped up from low a day. This is this pop. This is the low right here. A few minutes before the top of the hour, and this rise up. It's continuing the recovery. Again, it's trying. Slow. See, over here it got back up to 167. We just topped out at 165. What does it want to do? Where does it want to go? I don't know where it's going. Oh, we know where it's been. Ooh, popping off the 100 EMA with a blue candle. Don't know if I like it up this high. And pulls back after that blue candle. So I was right not to take the blue candle so far. I'm kind of bored right now. Somebody entertain me. Ooh, that's a quick fall. Quick fall, McGraw. Got up to 66. Back down to 54. So that'd been good if I had known. So can everybody believe it's already almost October? October. See, crude's bouncing up there nicely. Look at that beautiful blue candle down there. Bounced. And look at that. It's run from 67.57 up to 68.15. No, I'm 68.37. Almost a 100-point bounce. Like a 100 point. Wow, that would be really something. 100 tick bounce. If crude bounces 100 points, we're going to have some problems. Oh, really? Interesting. Continuing to rise up. Or trying to bounce, I guess I should say. Are you guys as bored as I am right now? And back up to that 166. Can it break on through to the other side? There it goes. 168. So are we going to be in recovery all morning from the down move overnight? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask here at MightyOxTrading. Yeah, there we go, rising up. So do we have any bond traders out there that are mad at me? Oh. Purple candle getting below the 9, but you see it's just hovering above the 100 and the 20. I'm not going to trust it even though I really want to. Really, really want to. He's just playing with those EMAs. I gotta be patient, wait for a good setup. This might end up being a good setup, but yeah, second purple candle. That one I'm more convinced of. Yeah, back above. Could be a very choppy morning. We're about 50 minutes until the bell. Taking the short. ATR sitting at 5, so we'll shoot for 6. Where am I at? 51. There we go. See how we do here. There we go. And maybe the extent of the move, though. It was getting a little overextended on that RSI. Oh, no, there we go. I'll take it. Stalls there. Oh, there we go. Boom. Oh, there we go. Target hit. Boom. 6 1/4. I'll take it. Back in the green for the morning. Oh, yeah, I think I fixed this. No, I didn't. I hear it. You guys don't. I need to fix that cha-ching. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate it. Are we see it bounce here? Back up to that whole knotted EMAs and back down off of it. Back up off of it and sit your candle down. AQ and ES, I'm messed up now. Sorry. Gold's still falling over there. Crude's still rising. Dow looks like it had a nice pop. Part of me wants to take that. That's not a signal for me, but it's a nice bounce off all EMAs. I didn't take it, but I bet you it's going to work. Yeah, you see it working? Work, 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 work. Yep, it would have given me a nice win, but that's okay. I gotta give myself that's okay after each time I miss something. Bounces. Not liking this price action, guys. What do you think? Is anybody awake today? Yeah. Very slow. Small news reports at 9:45 and 10:30. Later this week we'll have some action. Got the JOLTS report, and we have, of course, non-farm payrolls on Friday. So blue candle, I just don't like that it's hanging under all those EMAs. I just don't know. I just don't know. See what happens in 30 seconds. Yeah, under the... Yeah. Yeah, I'm not taking that there. So, of course, it should blow up about 50 points. It's not 50, but 4. So, I need to just start taking these no matter what they say. Look at my green lines here. See the 5 green lines? So you see how this one, and then the first red candle here. In fact, that's the reversal. I would have taken that. Would have been a choppy 5, but we could have got 10. Now there's this one here, and this one kind of doesn't count. I'm looking for one's green, and then I'm looking for a band bounce. So here's the next one. This green here. Red candle. We got a quick, could have got 5 to 7 there. Again here, this purple candle. Now I took the second purple candle, but if I trusted the first purple candle, I could have got a couple extra points. And then again, this green this green line, and here's this, and you can see if I had taken that, 10 points. Or just about 9.5, but either way. I see. And Q rising. So that was a nice candle. Ooh, nice rise. Look at that pop. Now it's been struggling to get through here. We got up to 167 here. We got up to 171 here. Now we just hit 168. Can it finally break on through to the other side? Continuing to rise up. Rising up. Trying to break through. You see we had a choppy night. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One hour chart makes it seem like it wants to come back up based on the RSI. But we'll see. Morning, JC. How are you doing? Doing pretty good, thank you. Still sitting in the same area. Hasn't really been able to break it yet. It's tried 3 times now. $176. So we're struggling at now. 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Purple candle, not trusting it. Yep, I should have trusted it. Yeah, maybe not. Bouncing. Staying above the 9. Let's see what the top of the hour brings us. Hopefully some volatility. We are up slightly today. 1 win, 1 loss. I think it's like $40 total that I'm up. $35.64. Just hanging on the 9 here. Can't decide where it wants to go. I don't like this price action. I don't like it at all, Sam. I am. Top of the hour. Still can't decide. Top of the hour is giving us nothing. I'm disappointed. It's coming down. You see how slowly this has meandered down from this purple candle. It's only going 8 points or so. So for October, we had a star-studded lineup in September with CFT and Robin and Sid Chase and RJ and others. So far for October, I only have 2 guests lined up. I know RJ is going to do a overnight stream and an all-day stream again. We just haven't decided on a date. I'll wait till he's back from his golf vacation to find out. But on the 9th, Wednesday the 9th, Matt from Phidias Trading will be joining me live here on the live stream. Let's see if we can get anybody else. My God, does my breathing really come through that much? I need to stop breathing so much into the mic. I am so sorry, guys. I just caught a sound in myself. Holy crap, no wonder no one wants to listen to me. I don't know when want to hear my breathing like that. Am I breathing heavier today? Or did I have my mic too close to the mouth? That was probably... Ooh, there's a pop. So we get up to 178. Still can't really break out from this area. And down. And up. Oh, God. Oh, guys, give us some price action that we actually like. Trying to bounce off the 9 with a blue candle. But, nope, no blue. Ace should be here soon. Let's see. Oh, crude dumps it. It's open. Big dump there on crude. About 40 ticks. Gold trying to pop back up again. Oh, look at that double bottom. Whoop, whoop. These days, it looks like the 5-minute chart have been easier to follow. A blue candle attempt, but I just don't like it there. And it looks like a syringe. 20 minutes till the bell. Hopefully that'll give us better action. Little less talk and a lot more action. Ooh, look at that rise up. And it finally broke out of the range. Up to 187. It's a 187 on NQ shorts. Oh, sorry. Sitting here, 185. Up to 188. Purple candle. Not a place I really like it though. Is anybody taking any trades this morning? No John DeFore. Wonder where he's at. Excellent. Glad to hear that. Excuse me. Bounce on the 9. So, be interested to see what Apex does. 80% sales supposed to be ending. They're supposed to be making some announcements coming up. Hey, Platt. Good morning. Platt, you still have some place to trade the treasuries? Treasuries move? Oh, wow. Holy wow. What caused that? That's a huge bounce. Double topping the overnight high. Yes, they are, JC. Yeah, Bulenox is not allowing treasuries at this point. I don't know. It's just churn and burners, JC. Because For Money is one of them. They're evaluating her for a live account. Ooh, quick dip. Short. What's our ATR? 5.5. Let's move our target up some. What's it? What are we at? 80. We'll go for 7.5. So what happens. Needs to get through this 20. Bounce. Come on, break down through. There we go. Ah, bounce. Come on, fall. Give me what I want, what I really, really want. There we go. Ooh, bounce. My stop's in profit now, so if it comes back at me, I'm fine, but it looks like it's going to go to my target. Oh, no, bounced a couple of ticks from my target. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Hey, Ace, good morning. How you feeling? I'm going to get out there for 5.25 points. Seem to be struggling there. I saw that we're extended on the RSI, so I got out. So we're now 2 wins, 1 loss. Glad to hear that, Ace. Doctor appointments all go well last week. I'm feeling all right. Good. Glad to hear that. happy getting out where I got out. I mean, it's going a couple more points, but price action kind of sucks to say. Easy for me to say. Sucks today. Tries to pop a little bit here. He's still on his golf vacation, Ace. Won't be back until either Wednesday or Thursday, I forget. Down to the 9s. I could have got more out of this trade. Five minutes till the bell. Bounces. Nice little bounce. Tangled in those EMAs. Nice little bounce. Two-minute warning. Let's hope we have better price action after the bell. Yeah, we have Powell at 1 p.m. I'm not sure if there's anybody else. Blue candle here right before the bell. We have a little bit of news coming out at 9:45 U.S. Chicago PMI. Up, down, up, down. Can't decide which way he wants to go. And down. Down that 100 EMA and bounces. Blue candle rise up. Whoosh. That just went, bounced off that 100 EMA, and wow. Must have been some extra rubber in that 100 EMA today. High of the overnight still way up at 287. But NQ's trying to get some momentum up. It ended up being a 45-point candle. What was your entry, Ace? Maybe trying to give it back here. Nice. It's a good Monday morning. See, I'm stupid, but I took a short. It's going to bounce on me. Not the right place for the short. Should have went in either right at the start of that candle or not at all. Yeah, it stopped me out. That was dumb. If I just went in right at the start of that candle, I could have got 10 points. Great trade, Ace. Now I bet you it's gonna ready for me to go. No, maybe not. Oop. Ooh, sorry, did not mean to hit the mic with my hand. Sorry about that, guys. Still rising. Or trying. Fighting. Sitting here. Sitting here. This nice rise up. This is not exciting now, though. Come on. I thought we were going to get some better price action. Folks, if you're interested in Bulenox, that 90% sell ends tonight. I don't know. I don't think Flexytrade is going to continue 90% now that they've announced the direct-to-funding plan. So I don't think Bulenox will either. So I don't know if anyone else is going to do 90 for them to price match. Popping up. Look at that go. So after it kind of consolidated for like 4 minutes, whoosh, up 255. Oh yeah, I could see why you wish that, Ace. Pulls down. So 260 has been the high so far. Pulls back a bit. The pullback case. Isn't that nice of it? Remember, we have some little news report here in 5 minutes. I think it'll forgive you. Or it's going to stop you out hard next time. Wow. Wow. Just hanging on the 9. It's a little bit of decent trade there to take it down to the 9, but slow markets kind of make you, lull you to sleep. Yep. Chicago PMI. John DeFore, I was wondering where you were at. Big congrats to your Tigers for making the playoffs. Hey, USC, good to see you. Glad to hear you survived the storm. Hope you didn't take any damage. Glad to hear that. Ah, okay, John. Well, we're popping back up here on the right before this news. Yeah, I think it's. I mean, South is going to be a mess for weeks or months. Unfortunately, that was terrible. Now there might be another one brewing. News, it's popping up to that 260, trying to break through. Gold bouncing. Being without power sucks. It's especially for heating and cooling. Oh, holiday in Canada today. Oh, okay. Happy whatever holiday it is. Usually I'm up on that stuff. I missed that one. Oh, okay, John. So here's hoping, John, that we see a Phillies Tigers World Series with the Phillies winning in 7 games. Gold tried to pop back up, still falling. Quite the fall in gold there, new low at day. Crude oil's choppy. Ultra bond pulled back. Yeah, that was disappointing, John, because I really wanted to see the White Sox not reach 41 wins. I wanted them to be stuck at 40 with the 62 minutes. Just hard to fathom how one team can lose 75% of their games in a season. Yeah. It's just, another attempt to rise up here. Not real impressed. It seems to be struggling here. That around 260, 261 area. Don't know yet. Remember, the Mets and Braves are still playing today. Double header because two of their games got wiped out by the hurricane. So Mets and Braves need to play today to decide who gets in. If the Mets sweep, it's the Mets and the Diamondbacks getting in. If the Braves sweep, it's the Braves and the Diamondbacks getting in. If the Braves and the Mets split, then they both get in and the Diamondbacks are eliminated. Purple candle here. I'm kind of interested. Let's see if it closes below the 9. Ooh, big move down. 20-point candle. All out of the blue. Guess I could say out of the purple. Short. Eh. Why can't they just burst down nicely for me right away? I don't like that Bollinger Band's right there. Jumping out there for 5 points. Oh, 6 points. 5.5. Something like that. It may go, but I didn't like that band there, so it was a win. John, I like Legends. The only thing about them is you can't flip days, so you got to trade every day of the eval, even if you reach your profit target. So slow and steady on the eval, because if you flip days, they won't let you pass. Yeah, I'll go to loud. Got down to 223, trying to bounce back up here. Kind of watching it. We are back to green. By $66.60. Still falling. I should have stayed in. Thinking John hit enter too quickly there. And he has to get a job because we know there's no way to make money fast here. it's a journey. Ouch. Sitting on the 100 EMA. Top of the hour. Blue candle, possible bounce off the 100 EMA. Let's see. We shall see. So many people think it's such an easy and quick way to make money. We're long off that blue candle. Hits the 9. Bounces back, unfortunately. Should have put my target right on the 9. That was an ouch bounce. Let's see if it comes back up. There it goes. 9 is sitting at 222. Oh, bounces back down again. Ouchie. Trying again. Failing again. Ouch. Come on. There we go. We got some momentum there. Taking it off. I just don't trust it to go through. Got a 5 ticks out of it. And there you see, it looks like I got out right at the right time. Mistake was not having my target just on the 9 to begin with. Coming down. I didn't trust that purple because of that 100 EMA. Obviously, it worked. And a bounce again. It's going to tempt me again with a blue candle bounce. It needs to finish above that 100 EMA. Otherwise, all signals are there. Went away. Fingers on the buy button. 10 seconds on the candle. Nope, no blue. Stayed below the 100. We shall wait. So once again, if anyone's interested in Bulenox, 90%, that ends tonight. Apex, 80% ending tonight. If you've never been a customer in MyFundedFutures, you can get a $48 50K account. That sale ends tonight. Staying below the 100. Sitting here. Still falling down to 183. Look at this fall. Maybe a bounce here. I like it. don't like it as much anymore after I press the long button, but let's see what happens. Come on. Up to the 9. That's all I want. Nope. It's going to stop me out. Maybe not. There we go. There we go. I'll take it there. It got to the 9 like I asked it to. I should have taken it quicker. See if it breaks through that 9. Everybody got really, really quiet again. Sorry about that. Dropped something. Pulls back down. Didn't take that purple. And it's not. I'm not confident in a fall here. I think we gotta see the reversal. We would have got 10. Definitely would have got 10. Now we might see the bounce. I kind of like the way it's hugging the Bollingers. Maybe not then. Forget that I said that. Yeah. Okay, we're interested in this blue candle pop. See if it holds. 30 seconds. It's right on that support line from the trigger point, and then ended up not being a blue candle, so it did not take it. Especially since it was more wick than body. Still falling. Maybe the bounce is here. Maybe the bounce is here. Trying to decide how soon is too soon to decorate the stream for Halloween. I think I do some fall decorations. Jumped in this really late, unfortunately. About 2 points late. Well, let's see if we get anything. Candle close. Ouch. Oh, okay. Bounce. I'll take that. Let's see. They're going to push up. Putting our target right on that 9. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Target hit. I'll take the 5 points. That's all it was, but I'll take it. Another blue candle. If it finishes above the 9, I'm interested in getting back in. Nope. Finished below the 9. I'm not getting the biggest trades today, but I'm getting trades. Still trying to push up here. So let's see, where are we sitting at now for the day? So we're up 262 on the day. 6 wins, 2 losses. Unfortunately, my average losing trade is bigger than my average winning trade. So got to work on that. But right now, 262. Rejects again off the 9. Back down, but didn't get all the way back down. Let's see what it does. Still falling. Wow, quick whip down. See that support 1 sitting there from the trigger point. Let's see if it bounces or just cuts through it. Don't know where the next one is after this. Quite a ways away after that. It looks like about 2069. And there it goes. Touches it, touches it. It's like, I'm not touching you. It breaks through. Low day 119. We're almost there. Huh? Ooh, big candle bounce. Look at that bounce. Wow. Remember, we do have another bit of news coming up in a couple minutes. Heck if I can remember what it is right now. Well, I try to decide if I want to take this. Nah, I don't. This is one of the hardest ones for me to decide because usually big candles don't continue. So I'm staying out of this one. Let's see what it does. Yeah, we have Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. Don't expect it to really move the market, but we'll see. Yeah, it would have given me what I wanted. So nice bounce there. Yeah, almost pretty much. I don't know. Overall low for the day 119. It's got down to 127. So I guess you can't call it quite the double bottom, but close. Everyone got so quiet. We had such great momentum last week here at the stream. Now it's like dead to the world. Oh, wow, there's only 8 people here. Wow, how did my stream die this quickly? Look at that beautiful rise up. Hits that 100 EMA, gets above it, bounces off of it. Purple candle bounced off the 100 EMA there. It's not exactly the type of candle I'm looking for. I guess I got humbled today. That was a nice blue candle. Back about 2200, 20200. If we rolled all the way down 2200, that would be very scary. Purple candle down to back down to the 100. It interests me if that 100 EMA wouldn't be there. It really interests me. Bouncing on it. Bouncing on. There's a 9 there too. Down. So what a wee. Trying to break through the 20. And down. So I didn't trust that purple. Again, it worked. Again, so let's just see, well, let's see what this bounce wants to do first. Okay, nothing. So let's just review these green lines that I mentioned earlier since the start of the stream. Worked. So it didn't count, wasn't near a band. Worked, 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 worked. Worked. So let's say this one didn't work. Worked. First green candle after, worked. This one, didn't work here, it worked here. This one was an iffy candle that I wouldn't have taken, and I tried to take one earlier than that, and I shouldn't have. Worked. Pop for 10. I did take it. Kind of worked. Worked. 160 up to 170. Worked for 10. Worked. It didn't really work. Depending if you went for a small profit target. And worked. So I just need to start taking them all. Gotta take them all. This was a bounce. And maybe back down. Lower high there. Up, down, up, down. Still coming down. Hanging here. 2175. 5 people here. Should I just end this stream, guys? 15 minutes to go. Why is my breathing coming across the mic so much today? I have to make the mic less sensitive or something. How do I? It's making weird. Every sound I make, it's picking up. You can see why no one stuck around today. Sitting here right below the 100 EMA. And bounces off that 100 EMA. You ready to come back down? Or come down? Or whatever I'm trying to say. Or it might just be a choppy area. hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Oh, I think I see what happened. Yeah. I don't understand why. I tried to make an adjustment because I usually don't listen to myself, but I tried to make an adjustment because I could hear my breathing today, and I didn't like that at all. Hold on. Is that better? Can you hear me better now? I don't want my breathing sounds to come through. No, okay, wait, it didn't save the settings. Hold on. Okay. I thought it did. Hold on. Oh, that's why. I set the wrong settings. How about now? Still playing with the 100 EMA here? Okay. Yeah, I put the settings back to where they were. I've been flipping it. I've been putting in an earbud every now and then to listen to something else, and then when I'm not listening to that, then I hear myself, and I'm like hearing my breathing sounds, and I gotta think that's annoying to people. About 10 minutes to go on the stream. Just sitting here right below the 100 EMA. I feel like it wants to come down from there, but I'm not convinced enough to play it. It's just playing with me here, trying to figure out which way it wants to go. A blue candle makes me want to take it, but yet. See, I didn't. I'm glad I didn't. Still sitting here. We're choppy. Looks like we're going to go choppy into the end of the stream. Excellent. Great job. Great way to start the week. Ken rejects off that 100 EMA. What do you think goes wrong? And I mean, I have that same issue. I have a bunch of funded accounts that I haven't gotten a payout on yet. It's a hard thing to beat. Sid Chase often suggests, after taking a loss or even taking a win, because, good emotions can also get overwhelming. Um, just to, after you finish a trade, get up and walk around for a couple minutes or just do something else so and that way you kind of clear your mind a little bit. There you go. So, I mean, I know it's hard, but try and give yourself a 5 minute timeout each time or whatever, you know, just to clear your head and let the market clear its head and see if that helps. You have the skill because you're passing the accounts. So now it's just a matter of mastering your mind to take that same skill that you're using to pass the accounts and to get yourself to a payout. This has been an ugly 15 minutes of chop. But I'm proud of myself for not falling for any of this chop. Yeah, you can see the way those are just sitting there in between those bands and not going either direction. Had one band bounce, and that was this big candle, and I didn't trust it because of how big the candle was. That 100 EMA was also, you can see, I mean, it's hit it like on 8 different candles. Boop, 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 boop. Bleh. And I think you'll get there. You see where your problem is. A lot of times people, if you say, well, what's your issue? Where are you going wrong? And they really have no idea, or they'll blame the market. The market just goes to my stop whenever I enter, whatever. It's you actually recognize, where you're struggling, and that's a good step, and so I think you get there. We have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everybody for joining me and for the 5 people that stuck with me here. Not sure why we had such a dead stream today, but that's okay. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. I have nothing against Apex. You're not going to get any Apex hate from me. Have a great day, John. Have a great day, everybody. Lost sound again? That one's not on me, I don't think. Anyway, have a great day, everybody. We will talk to you tomorrow.